Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at a few tips to improve your searches through the database. As you may know, every filter section has a keyword field you can type into. The result of your search will show all the items having your keyword in their names or description. In the new version, you also have a keyword field within each item data. This allows you to add more keywords to your items that will be used during searches. When one or more custom keywords are set on your items, a drop-down menu is available on your filter section. This will allow you to show all the keywords that are currently being used for these items, helping you to choose the right one to filter your lists. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.